All right. Hi, this is Mrs. Rondo. We're going to look at some extended angle pair practice from DeltaMath. There's a couple different types of problems you're going to see, and so I wanted to walk you through what they look like. So this first one is an example. They tell us that AB is parallel to CD, so I'm going to mark that on my diagram. So AB, AB's down here, and CD, mark those as parallel. Then it tells me the measure of angle DHF, which is this one right here, is 66 degrees, and the measure of angle B is 23 degrees. And they want us to find the measure of angle E. And I'm marking it with 3 marks because I don't know what it is yet. It could be that it's the same as one of the other angles, but until we know, I'm just marking it with 3 arc marks. And then let's see what we can do. All right, so with the parallel lines, I'm going to start with something I know. I know 23 degrees, and I have a triangle. So if I could figure out some more information, maybe another angle, I can use my triangle sum theorem. I know all the angles of a triangle add up to 180, so I could figure out angle E that way. Right now, I don't have enough information for that. So I'm going to see what I can do with the other angle. If I look at my other angle, I know 66 degrees would be vertical angles with this one. So that's also 66. Doesn't really help me out though, in terms of getting down to angle E. A couple different ways I could go from there. If I do corresponding angles with angle DHF, the corresponding angle would be here, also 66 degrees. And that one actually is a little bit helpful because then if I look at, and I'm actually going to erase my angle E for a minute. If I look at this line right here, I'm going to highlight. I have a nice straight line right here. And I have what I would call, don't want that one. I have a straight angle that I can use right here. This from here all the way to here makes my straight line, and I know a straight angle is 180 degrees. So I can take 180, subtract the 66 degrees I have, and do some quick math here. I get 114. So that tells me this inside piece right here is 114. Then, now I have 2 angles in my triangle. I'm just going to kind of shade that in. Here's my triangle right here. And I happen to have 2 angles that I know. I know 114 degrees and I know 23 degrees. And I know it's super messy, so I'm going to erase that so we can see it a little bit better. There we go. So I have 2 angles. I can take those 2 angles and add them up, 114 and 23. Those are the ones I know I have and I've used up. So when I add those, I get 137 degrees. Ooh, look, 37. Then I'm going to subtract that from 180 to find out what is left over. And I get 43 degrees. So the measure of angle E is 43 degrees. Or I could write the measure of angle E is 43 degrees. And that is a way that you could approach one of these problems.